up here. Where'd you go? Like, what bird is that?
Oh, the skunk you had?
Mm-hmm. And I think that's a female. You mean I had that pause the whole... No, maybe I didn't. I don't know anymore.